Hey everyone! Today we're talking about how Indonesia is becoming a bigger player in the Australian economy. Indonesian mining companies are really interested in Australian coal. They see a chance to grow their businesses. These companies are especially interested in what Anglo-American owns. These assets are a big deal. If Indonesian companies get them, they'll have a much bigger part in the global coal market. This shows that Indonesia is becoming more economically influential in Australia. It's not about taking over, it's about making smart business decisions. This interest in Australian coal is a big deal. It shows how closely connected the two countries are when it comes to business. Indonesia is a major player in the global energy market, and Australia has tons of natural resources. It's a perfect match. As Indonesia's economy grows, it will need more resources. This could lead to even more investments in Australia. Australia is really aware of what's happening around it. Their 2024 National Defence Strategy shows this. The strategy focuses on preventing problems before they start and knowing what's going on in the region. Australia wants to keep things peaceful and stable in its own backyard. This focus on regional stability is super important. Australia knows that having safe neighbours is important. They are committed to working with their neighbours, including Indonesia, to face any challenges together. Talking openly and cooperating are key to keeping the region safe. The US and Australia are still best buds. Their alliance is a big part of both countries' plans for dealing with other countries. This alliance is changing to meet new challenges. It wants to work more closely with Southeast Asian countries. Indonesia is a key partner in this. The US and Australia know how important Southeast Asia is. The region is becoming more and more important in terms of business and strategy. Working with Southeast Asian nations, especially Indonesia, is super important. This helps everyone stay safe and prosperous. It also helps tackle shared problems like terrorism and climate change. The relationship between Indonesia and Australia is complicated. Sometimes they work together and sometimes they compete. But there's a strong base for a positive future. Both nations want the same things. They both want economic growth, a safe region, and to tackle global challenges. The possibilities of working together are huge. When it comes to business, there are lots of opportunities for collaboration, especially in areas like trade, investment, and infrastructure. On the security front, both countries can work together to share information, do training exercises together, and fight threats that cross borders. The future of Indonesia and Australia's relationship is bright. By working together, they can achieve their shared goals and contribute to a more peaceful and successful Indo-Pacific region.